Agile Methodology. Agile methodology is a modern approach to project management and software development that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Unlike traditional project management approaches, which follow a rigid, sequential process, Agile focuses on iterative development, frequent feedback, and adaptability to change. It is based on the principle that requirements, technology, and business environments are constantly evolving, and projects are more successful when teams can respond quickly to these changes. Agile methodology has become widely popular not only in software development but also in other industries such as marketing, education, product design, and operations because it encourages teamwork, transparency, and a focus on delivering real value to stakeholders. The foundation of Agile methodology lies in iterative development. Instead of waiting until the end of a long project cycle to deliver a final product, Agile teams work in short, time-boxed intervals called sprints or iterations. Each sprint, usually lasting from 1 to 4 weeks, focuses on delivering a small, usable portion of the product. Within each sprint, the team plans tasks, designs solutions, develops features, tests outputs, and reviews results. By breaking the project into smaller pieces, Agile allows teams to focus on quality, adapt quickly to changes, and deliver incremental value. This iterative process reduces risk, allows for faster detection of problems, and ensures that the project evolves in line with customer expectations and emerging requirements. The ability to make adjustments throughout the project lifecycle is one of the key reasons Agile is preferred over traditional, sequential project management approaches. Collaboration is another central principle of Agile methodology. Agile emphasizes close cooperation among team members, stakeholders, and customers. Continuous communication ensures that everyone understands project objectives, priorities, and progress. Daily stand-up meetings, or daily scrums, are common practices in Agile teams, during which team members discuss their accomplishments, challenges, and plans for the day. These meetings promote accountability, facilitate problem-solving, and allow the team to identify potential roadblocks early. Collaboration extends beyond internal teams to include stakeholders and end users. By actively involving customers in the project, teams can receive regular feedback, ensure alignment with expectations, and adjust development priorities as needed. This level of engagement increases trust, builds stronger relationships, and contributes to higher quality project outcomes. Flexibility and adaptability are also fundamental to Agile methodology. In traditional project management approaches, changes in scope, requirements, or design can cause delays and budget overruns. Agile, however, is built to embrace change as a natural and necessary part of the development process. Teams are encouraged to respond to evolving requirements, market conditions, and unforeseen challenges without disrupting progress. Agile frameworks, such as Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and Extreme Programming, provide structures that support adaptive planning, incremental delivery, and continuous improvement. By remaining flexible, Agile teams can respond effectively to shifting priorities, optimize resources, and reduce the likelihood of project failure. Customer satisfaction is a core focus of Agile methodology. Delivering value to the customer continuously is prioritized over rigid adherence to plans. Agile teams involve customers throughout the development process, gathering feedback, reviewing progress, and prioritizing high-value features. This active involvement ensures that the project produces deliverables that meet real needs, reduces the risk of wasted effort on low-priority tasks, and enhances overall stakeholder satisfaction. Continuous engagement also allows teams to adapt quickly to changing customer expectations, resulting in higher quality outcomes and stronger business relationships. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, Agile ensures that the project delivers tangible value that aligns with organizational objectives. Agile methodology also emphasizes quality and continuous improvement. Unlike traditional approaches where testing occurs at the end of the project, Agile integrates testing and quality assurance into every stage of development. Practices such as continuous integration, automated testing, and peer reviews help detect defects early, reducing the need for extensive rework. Agile teams also conduct regular retrospectives at the end of each sprint to reflect on what went well, what challenges arose, and what improvements can be made in future iterations. This culture of learning and adaptation ensures that the team continuously enhances its efficiency, productivity, and product quality. Continuous improvement is a hallmark of Agile methodology and contributes significantly to the long-term success of projects. Simplicity and prioritization are additional principles of Agile methodology. Teams focus on delivering the most important features first, ensuring that critical requirements are addressed before less essential tasks. Prioritization is guided by customer feedback, business value, and risk considerations. By focusing on high-value work and eliminating unnecessary tasks, Agile teams reduce complexity, minimize errors, and maintain clarity throughout the project. Simplicity in both design and process allows teams to remain agile, respond quickly to change, and achieve objectives efficiently without overcomplicating workflows. Several frameworks support Agile methodology, each offering unique tools and approaches. Scrum is a widely used framework that defines specific roles, ceremonies, and artifacts to manage work efficiently. Kanban focuses on visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and optimizing workflow to increase productivity. Lean principles emphasize reducing waste, maximizing value, and continuously improving processes. Extreme programming prioritizes technical excellence, collaboration, and frequent releases to maintain high-quality software. Organizations often adopt the framework that best aligns with their culture, project complexity, and team structure while staying true to the core Agile principles. In practice, Agile methodology transforms how projects are managed by fostering a mindset of flexibility, collaboration, and responsiveness. It enables teams to deliver products incrementally, adjust priorities based on feedback, and ensure that the final outcome aligns with stakeholder expectations. Agile also improves transparency, empowers teams to make decisions, and encourages a culture of accountability and continuous learning. Whether applied in software development, marketing campaigns, or product design, Agile provides a structured yet adaptable approach that helps organizations achieve better results, optimize resources, and maintain competitiveness in dynamic markets. In conclusion, Agile methodology is an iterative, collaborative, and adaptive approach to project management that prioritizes customer satisfaction, quality, and flexibility. By delivering work in short iterations, engaging stakeholders continuously, embracing change, and focusing on high-value tasks, Agile teams can respond effectively to evolving requirements and achieve project goals efficiently. Agile practices, frameworks, and principles provide a roadmap for organizations to improve productivity, enhance quality, reduce risk, and maintain strong stakeholder relationships. Understanding and applying Agile methodology is essential for modern teams seeking to succeed in fast-paced, competitive, and constantly changing environments. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to receive more educational content on Agile methodology, project management, and professional development.